welcome back to my channel. If you are passing by, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. This is a highly requested video, but I feel like I'm going to make like a cream based video very soon. I promised a subscriber I was going to do that, but right now I'm unable to get the materials to make a cream base, so I'm going to leave like a little snippet of how to make a cream base, maybe somewhere in this video or in a different video entirely. But what I want to talk about is what happens when your cream base is lumpy. Okay, so someone asked, I have made cream bases that have been lumpy, and someone also asked recently what to do when your cream base is lumpy. But first, before that, some people want to know why the cream base is lumpy in the first place, and this can happen for several reasons. Okay, so the first thing that I think can cause your cream base to be lumpy is you didn't melt your stearic acid, cetyl alcohol, and wax properly. Those are the things used to make cream base. You probably didn't melt them very well, so that's why they're lumpy. Also, if you have your wax or cetyl alcohol, stearic acid, and they are already a little bit they have like molds or lumps, there's every tendency that even when you melt them, they're still going to be lumpy in the end result. So you definitely, when you're buying your ingredients, you want them to be fine, like sand or sugar, very fine. You don't want those lumps or molds, because that can also affect the outcome of your cream. Another thing that can affect the outcome of your cream is you probably did not put in your ingredients the right way. I always advise, it is something that you definitely need to know. You should not mix your creams in metal containers. This is something you should know by now. This can also be a reason why your cream base might be lumpy. Another reason why your cream base might be lumpy is when the process of putting in your water and you've put in your oil and your water, they're going in hand, or you've put in your oil, then you're not putting in your water and you're not mixing as you go. That can also make your cream base lumpy. Okay, so if one of these things you've done it and you feel like that's the reason why your cream base is lumpy, then you need to change that about the way you mix your cream base. Okay, or your method of mixing might be wrong. I really would like to leave this video so you guys can see. What you want to do is you're probably mixing in a plastic bowl or a glass bowl. These should be your only things you're using, not even probably. That's what you should be mixing in. Okay, don't mix in a metal bowl. It's going to affect your cream. It's going to definitely affect the potency of your cream and the shelf life of your cream, to be honest. So what you're going to do now to melt your cream base, to make it to be fine and smooth as it should be, you're going to take that back onto a double boiler. Okay, so you're going to put it in your double boiling just the same way you melted your wax, stearic acid, and the rest. You're going to take that back and put it in the double boiling, and that's going to melt everything back. When it's melted, you're going to now, as it's melted, you're going to now take your machine. Please don't use your hand to mix. When you use your hand to mix, it's just like when you're baking a cake, you're using your hand to mix. It's not going to be as fluffy as when you use like the machine to mix your batter. So that's the same thing with your cream. You definitely want to be using a hand mixer, or you want to be using any of those other things when you're mixing your creams. Okay guys, that's what you do. You definitely want to use a machine to mix so that you get the most out of your cream base. So yeah, that is how you get your cream base to become very smooth and as fluffy as possible. Guys, yeah, those are those things that I feel like can make your cream base lumpy, and that explains how you can get your cream base to not be lumpy anymore. You might waste some products to remove the lump in your cream base. Okay, so yeah, this is what can help you to reduce that lump in your cream base. Please like this video, leave a comment down below if this video was helpful to you, and yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.